In this video, you will learn how to fix a banned account in Monopoly Go. If your Monopoly Go account has been banned, follow these simple steps to get it unbanned. First, consider why your account may have been banned. The common reasons include cheating, game exploiting, or third-party software. Understand the reason can help you prevent further bans and get unbanned. Next, visit the Monopoly Go Help Center or Game Support. Provide your account details and explain your situation. Be polite and clear about the issue. Ask them to review your account if you believe the ban was a mistake, or you just want to get unbanned. Then, you can find a contact form in the game settings. You can also reach out to them directly at help@monopoly.com or via their social media channels. If the game offers an appeal process, submit a formal appeal. Clearly state why you think your ban should be lifted and the steps you should take to resolve the issue. Be patient. The support team may take a few days to respond, so give them time to review your case. Once the ban is lifted, ensure that you adhere to the strict games policies to avoid being banned again. To keep your account safe, avoid any suspicious activity or against the game's rules. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.